The sky found its finest. Meet 2026 Aerial Elite. 5 drones. 5 extraordinary visions of what 4K aerial imaging can truly achieve. One definitive list that separates the genuinely remarkable from the merely impressive. Welcome to the best of 2026. This year's top performers push every boundary: sharper sensors, smarter obstacle intelligence, longer flight endurance, and cinematic stabilization so smooth it makes every shot look professionally choreographed. The gap between amateur and professional aerial footage has never been narrower. Compact foldable designs slip effortlessly into backpacks. Intelligent autonomous flight modes handle complexity so creativity flows freely. Extended battery endurance keeps golden hours fully captured without anxious battery watching interrupting inspired moments. 5 drones. Endless possibilities. Unforgettable footage. Fly smarter. Shoot sharper. Tell stories only the sky can tell beautifully. Number 5. Potensic Atom 2. Introducing the Potensic Atom 2, the compact, featherlight drone that punches so far above its weight class it makes every flight feel like a genuine professional aerial adventure. Big drone performance, impressively small price tag. Don't let its pocket-friendly size fool you. The Atom 2 captures stunning 4K footage with remarkable sharpness and vivid color accuracy that elevates travel content, outdoor adventures, and creative storytelling from ordinary to genuinely extraordinary. Every frame worth sharing. 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization eliminates shake, vibration, and drift, delivering buttery smooth, cinema-quality footage even when winds pick up and conditions get challenging. Steady shots. Every single time. Intelligent GPS-powered flight modes including Follow Me, waypoint navigation, and automated orbit mode handle complex maneuvers effortlessly, freeing your creativity to focus entirely on capturing breathtaking moments from above. Foldable and ultralight, the Atom 2 disappears into any bag, ready to fly whenever inspiration strikes unexpectedly. Compact by design. Capable beyond expectation. Potensic Atom 2 Sky Adventures, beautifully democratized. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Introducing the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the ultralight drone that shatters every assumption about what a sub-250G aerial camera can achieve. Compact enough to carry everywhere. Capable enough to impress everyone. This is DJI's most refined mini masterpiece yet. Stunning 4K HDR video with omnidirectional obstacle sensing delivers professional-grade aerial footage and genuine peace of mind simultaneously, capturing breathtaking landscapes, dynamic action, and intimate moments with extraordinary clarity, confidence, and creative freedom. The all-new rotational 90 degrees portrait mode unlocks vertical shooting natively, perfect for social content that stops every scroll cold and demands undivided attention. Content creators, this one is built for you. Slow-motion 4K at 100 FPS transforms ordinary moments into breathtaking cinematic sequences that feel genuinely magical. Every movement, every detail, beautifully preserved. Intelligent automated quick shots, hyperlapse modes, and extended 34-minute flight time keep creativity flowing and inspiration alive far longer than rivals dare promise. Number 3. DJI Air 3S. Introducing the DJI Air 3S, the drone that redefines what mid-range aerial imaging truly means, delivering flagship-level performance in a compact, travel-ready package that serious creators and passionate adventurers have been waiting for. A massive 1-inch CMOS sensor captures breathtaking 4K and 12K RAW footage with extraordinary dynamic range, stunning low-light capability, and color depth so rich that every frame feels genuinely cinematic. Golden hour, blue hour, midnight hour, the Air 3S conquers every lighting condition fearlessly. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing wraps every flight in intelligent, confident protection, letting creativity flow freely without constant anxiety about surroundings. Fly boldly. Fly safely. Fly further. Dual camera system featuring wide and medium telephoto lenses gives creative storytellers unmatched compositional flexibility, switching perspectives effortlessly to capture the perfect shot every single time. An impressive 46-minute maximum flight time extends creative sessions dramatically, while Oppa's 5.0 autonomous obstacle avoidance navigates complex environments with remarkable precision. One drone. Infinite creative possibilities. DJI Air 3S, where imaging excellence takes beautiful flight. Number 2. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Introducing the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the drone that rewrites every rule about what a sub-250G aerial camera can achieve. Featherlight enough to carry anywhere. Powerful enough to leave professionals genuinely speechless. A groundbreaking 1-inch 50MP CMOS sensor captures breathtaking 4K HDR video and stunning 50MP stills with extraordinary dynamic range and low-light performance that rivals drones twice its size and triple its price. Every frame, magnificently cinematic. The rotating gimbal reaches up to 225 degrees for unprecedented creative movement on the roll axis, unlocking perspectives and compositional freedom previously impossible in this weight class. Vertical shooting, dynamic rolls, fluid angles, all effortlessly achieved. Front-facing LiDAR enables nightscape omnidirectional obstacle avoidance operating in just one lux of darkness, flying confidently and safely long after the sun disappears completely. Active track 360 degrees, intelligent quick shots, and master shots automate cinematic sequences that once demanded expert piloting skills. Tiny by regulation, mighty by nature. DJI Mini 5 Pro, professional aerial freedom, magnificently miniaturized. Number 1. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Introducing the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, the flagship aerial masterpiece that redefines professional drone cinematography from the ground up. Revolutionary in every dimension, uncompromising in every detail. A triple camera system anchored by a breathtaking 100MP Hasselblad main sensor captures stunning 6K/60fps HDR video with extraordinary dynamic range and color depth that makes every frame feel genuinely cinematic. Dawn, dusk, or deep night, perfection delivered. The revolutionary Infinity Gimbal unlocks full 360 degrees rotation, unleashing creative shooting angles previously impossible on any compact drone. Tilt, rotate, and reimagine aerial storytelling completely. 6 high-performance low-light fisheye sensors with 0.1 lux sensitivity enable omnidirectional obstacle avoidance at speeds up to 18 meters per second, flying boldly and safely where others simply cannot. An impressive 51-minute flight time and transmission range stretching up to 41 kilometers keep ambitious creators airborne and connected far longer than imagination demands.